Well, the Rheem furnace is not working again. It's 62 degrees in the house, set to 67. I'll tell you right now, I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but the pressure switch is bad. So if you tap on top of the furnace, sometimes it turns on. I'm going to tap, see if it turns on. If not, I'll take the cover off now. Try tapping on the pressure switch, and then if that doesn't work, I'll have to take the hose off the pressure switch and then put a little air pressure on it, then put it back on. That always works, but let's try this. Oh, what do you know, it worked. So yeah, that's that's a problem with it. You should tap it like that, very lightly. It usually always kicks right on. So yeah, that's it. Rheem furnace. Problem with it.